Today we're going to be drawing different things for Easter. For the bunny head, first draw a circle. Make sure it is the right size that you want it. Next, we're going to draw these kind of like oval shapes off the top of the head, leaving just a little space in the middle. Next, we're going to do the nose, which is just like a really wide Y, letter Y, or a V. For the eyes, do some tear shapes or raindrop shapes that point to the nose, and then draw little half circles in them to give the eyes. For the mouth, draw kind of like a long 3 shape. You can give the rabbit eyebrows if you want to. Then you can follow around the outside of the circle a little bit and give him some cheek fluff. You can give him a little chin, which is kind of just like a U under his mouth, and then add a little bit of a square and a line through it for the teeth. For the whiskers, just draw lines from where the nose and the mouth are. To make the ears a little bit more interesting, draw another oval shape inside them to show the inside of his ears. And there you go. You can fill in the eyes and give him a little personality. There is your rabbit head, Easter bunny. To draw a baby chick, you kind of draw this round shape. It's kind of like a big pear shape or a bean shape. Add a tiny little triangle in the first little lump of that shape and add 2 little circles for eyes. For the wing, draw a small little fluffy curvy shape on the side, on the back like that. And for the feet, just draw a line down with 3 sticks coming up it. For an Easter basket, a really simple Easter basket, you draw this long rectangular shape. And then you draw a bigger rectangular shape to connect onto it. Next, to make the handle, just do kind of like the shape you would do for a rainbow. So a semicircle or a semi-oval, and do another line above that. Very close to it to make sure that you have the handle. Then you can draw these little oval shapes, these little egg shapes. You can make them any size you want. You can decorate them any way you want. Then to make it look a little bit fancier, you can add what looks like tied, woven through ribbon and bow onto the basket. Draw these little rectangles, the little triangle shapes, little square in the middle, triangle shape, and then draw these little parts for the ribbon on the bottom. And then some more ribbon. Then you can add some of these lines on that rectangle to make it look a little fancier. Then, when you're ready, you can draw them in any kind of form you want. And this is just kind of the way I connected all 3, where I have the rabbit looking over the basket and the chick standing next to the basket. So here you have the Easter bunny, a little baby chick, and Easter eggs. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and let me know if you drew the Easter stuff too.